You're looking to answer what is IPMAT. IPMAT is Integrated Program and Management Aptitude Test conducted by IIM Indore. IIM Indore has a unique program which is a 5-year program for school grads or higher secondary passed outs who want to take up a 3-year course followed by a 2-year course which will eventually give you an MBA or a PGDM. Technically now they can give an MBA if I'm not wrong. So this is the entrance exam that you need to require to clear the first step into getting into IIM Indore as a UG PG put together. IPMAT is being conducted on 10th of May this year. The last date for application is 14th of April for applying for this IPMAT exam. And if you are looking to start off your career in terms of management from the very beginning, then you should probably apply for this exam. The eligibility criteria for applying for this exam is to have a 10th and 12th standard being north of 60% for general and NCOBC candidates. It varies for other categories as well, but you need to have at least 60% if you are a general and NCOBC candidate if you want to even apply for this exam. The application process is completely online. You will get your hall ticket also online and the exam is also online. You will be asked to go to a center where you have to take up the exam in their centers, allotted or allocated centers, but it is a completely online exam. The exam will happen for 2 hours or 120 minutes where one is quantitative ability and the other one is verbal ability. The quantitative has 2 kind of subsections where the first section is 40 questions in 40 minutes. And all these 40 questions will have multiple choice questions, and you will get +4 marks for answering one right question and -1 mark for attempting a wrong question. And the next section in quant is short answers. You won't have to write sentences for these answers. It's going to be a fill in the blank kind of thing where you have an on-screen keyboard, but you can't use your keyboard while writing this exam. So you'll have to use your mouse to click and write that answer. For example, 2 could be an answer, 35 could be an answer. So these answer option should be typed into a small text box that is given. That is what short answer means. And short answer questions don't have negative marking. You'll get 40 minutes to answer 20 short answers in math. The last section in this exam is the verbal ability section where you get 40 questions and 40 minutes to answer these 40 questions. The syllabus for this exam will be detailed in a separate video which will be available, and how to prepare will be available in the comment section. So do check out that video as well. Best wishes.